I'm going to show you the different types of flat tires. It sounds redundant, but there are many different types of flat tires. There's not just one cause. The one most people are familiar with is a piece of glass, a nail, a thorn, something like that going through your tire and giving you a flat tire, putting a hole in the inner tube. That is fairly common, but what is actually more common is the next type of flat, which is a pinch flat. How a pinch flat works is if your tire, something like this, doesn't have enough air in it, what will happen is you'll come across an object, whether it be a pothole or a curb or something along those lines, and you'll hit the edge of the curb or pothole, and it will deform the tire. That hard object, the curb or pothole, will work in union with the rim and work like scissors and actually pinch and cut two holes in the inner tube. And that's actually going to look something like this here. Sometimes it's referred to as a snake bite because it has two separate holes. Next type of flat is typically caused by someone using a hand pump or being fairly aggressive with an inner tube while inflating it. And that's simply tearing the valve right off the inner tube. Not uncommon, it happens fairly frequently, and in this case you're going to be replacing the tire, or the inner tube, excuse me. And the final type of flat tire is going to be a blowout of some sort. Typically this happens when you cut the sidewall of the tire on a large piece of glass or an object, or simply it breaks down from years of dry rot. What will happen is you'll get a very large hole in the side of the tire. When that happens, even if the inner tube is not punctured, all that pressure that's being housed within the tire finds its way out right here and bursts through the inner tube. It'll either give a star-like pattern or just a very large slash into the inner tube. Those are the most common types of flat tires. There's a lot of different ways you can work around fixing them.